If you're a business owner looking for an all-in-one software to manage sales, accounting, HR, inventory, and more, but you're stuck choosing between Odoo and Zoho, this video is for you. Today, I'll break down both platforms, compare features, pricing, ease of use, and integration, and finally decide which one is better. Stay with me till the end to know which one truly gives more value for your money. Let's begin. Both Odoo and Zoho. One are powerful business management suites designed to streamline and automate daily operations. They both offer CRM, project management, invoicing, email marketing, HR tools, and much more. But even though they sound similar, their approach and pricing model are completely different. So picking the right one depends entirely on your business style. Odoo. Overview, Odoo is known for being extremely flexible and customizable. It's built around modules, meaning you can start small with one app and add more as your business grows. This makes it great for scaling and adapting to specific workflows. Pricing, free plan. Use one app with unlimited users, for example, CRM, accounting, or inventory. Standard plan, $9.10 per user per month, with access to all applications. Custom plan, $13.60 per user per month with developer tools, advanced customization, and API access. Pros of Odoo, highly customizable and expandable open source option available, great for businesses with unique workflows, can be self-hosted for full control. Cons of Odoo. Setup and customization can take time, requires technical knowledge for advanced features. Customer support can vary by region. Zoho. One overview. Zoho, one is the plug-and-play solution. Instead of adding apps slowly, Zoho gives you over 45 business applications from day one. It's designed to work straight out of the box with simple onboarding and a clean interface. Pricing, $45 per employee per month for full access when all team members are licensed, $15 per user per month for selective adoption plans. Unified app ecosystem with one login and centralized admin control. Pros of Zoho. 1. Easy to start, minimal setup. Excellent value for the number of apps included, strong automation tools and workflows. Well-integrated ecosystem by default. Cons of Zoho. 1. Less flexibility for deep customization, suitable mostly for cloud users, no self-hosting, can feel overwhelming with too many apps at once. User experience and integration. If you want total control over how your system works, Odoo gives more freedom. You can modify workflows, build custom modules, and even host it on your own server. It's perfect for manufacturing, logistics, or businesses that need tailored processes. But if you want something that just works right away, Zoho One is the clear winner. Its apps connect automatically, CRM talks to email, projects connect with HR, accounting syncs with inventory. Everything just flows. In terms of integrations, Odoo connects internally really well and offers external integrations, especially in the custom plan. Zoho One connects all apps by default, but it's slightly harder to integrate third-party software compared to Odoo. Which is better? If your business needs heavy customization, advanced workflows, and long-term scaling flexibility, Odoo is the better choice. It's perfect for tech-driven teams and growing companies that want full control. But if you need a simple, affordable, all-in-one system that works immediately, Zoho One is the winner. It's great for startups, agencies, service providers, and small to mid-sized businesses. Overall, winner. For most users, Zoho One delivers better value and faster results, but for businesses with complex operations, Odoo is unmatched in customization. If you found this comparison helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest software reviews, and comment below which one you're choosing, Odoo or Zoho. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.